Oh, but it was like I did, and one day we got on, we spoke to all of them. So once again, going around the outside ring, you got to help you avoid collision, and so I'm going to the next complete section of the circuit. And now we're going to get this move to the other line, but it's another head line, and they cross the line, you might not just turn down, there's four positions.